Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Ramona. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reserve your WhatsApp username. The first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp app. When you get to your WhatsApp app, in the upper right-hand corner, you should see three dots. Click on the three dots and click on Settings. Next thing you want to do is click on Account. Then click on Username. You'll get a message from WhatsApp saying usernames are coming. Reserve yours today. Your username will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know it. You can add a key to control who contacts you by your username. Then you'll see it gives you choices. You can go ahead and create your username. You can use your Instagram username or your Facebook username. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you what happens when you click on the Create Username button. So you can type in your username, as I will do here. Now, as you can see, it says that my username is available, but what you will also see is that it says if this is your Instagram username, add your accounts to Account Center to claim it. So what that means is you need to go back. So I'm going to hit the back arrow because this username is actually my Instagram username. And instead of choosing Create Username, I will select Use Instagram Username. This will bring you to a screen that says Add WhatsApp to Accounts Center. Accounts Center makes it easier to switch between profiles, manage settings, and more. Now, I'm a person that likes to keep things separate. So normally, if I were not doing this video, I would have just gone ahead and just clicked that next button because I don't really want these two accounts connected. Sometimes it creates problems, so I like to keep things separate. And then next you'll see your WhatsApp phone number is never public without your permission, and your contacts aren't shared with Meta. Your personal messages and calls on WhatsApp will remain end-to-end encrypted. No one, not even WhatsApp or Meta, can read or listen to them. And it says we'll combine and use your info across accounts to personalize your experiences and ads. You can move accounts out of your account center at any time. So you can go ahead and click confirm to link these two accounts, which again I am a little opposed to, because if you know how Meta, Facebook, Instagram work, they're always mixing things. So meaning when you go to your messages on Facebook, you'll see your Instagram messages, which I did a video on how to unlink that because they don't make it easy. They will most likely link your WhatsApp messages into your Facebook and your Instagram account and all of that. So I don't really like that, because I really don't want this one linked, but because I started this video, I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. Next, you'll see that it reserved the username. It says soon you can share your username instead of your phone number when connecting with someone for the first time. We'll let you know when your username is ready to use. And then I'm going to go ahead and click done. After you click done, you'll see that it says contact me by username, and then it says everyone. If I click on the edit button in the upper right hand corner, you will see it says you can change your username or delete your username. So now that's what it looks like when you tell it to connect your Instagram username with your WhatsApp account. Now I have another account and I'm going to go ahead and see what happens if I don't say use Instagram's username. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to that other account. So now this is my second WhatsApp account, which is actually my business account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on account again to get to the username. And then I'm going to click on username. And again, says everything that we saw before. This time I'm going to click on create username, and I'm going to give this one a different username. You can click on suggest a username, and WhatsApp will suggest one for you, but I'm just going to select a different username. I'm going to click save. It says you reserved your username, and it says we'll let you know when your username is ready to use. I'm going to go ahead and click done, and again it brings us back to that same screen. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you'll receive notification each time I post a new video. Again, this is Romona from Social Media How To's with Romona. And with that, I want to say have an amazing day.